Hey everybody, how's it going? This is George, Florida Railroad Dog with the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Got a little unboxing. It's a special unboxing because I went to Red Road today to see Bill, and I went with my wife, Barby, and she hadn't gotten me anything for Valentine's Day, so she told me pick something out. Let me show you what I got. So here's the box. It's an Atlas. It's an MTH tooling engine, which, you know, Atlas bought the tooling from MTH for these engines. And this is a special one. She actually picked it out. Let's open up the box. It's amazing how Atlas even kept the same books. All they did was change their logo. And this is going to be a Premier GP40 diesel locomotive. But what road number? Is it another FEC? Could it be? And there she is, ready to come out. What could it be? Ladies and gentlemen, this is an Atlas O Premier GP40 CSX number 6611. Item number 3013809. Beautiful engine. Believe it or not, my other 40 was also given to me by my wife. Let's put her on the track. Where she is on the track, as you can see, even Bob came out of hiding for the great unveiling of this new CSX GP40 to the Roman Nico Railroad. He wants me to hurry up so he can get back to wherever he's got to be. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank my wife for a beautiful Valentine's Day gift. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.